Hi everybody, we are going to make beautiful Mother's Day greeting. For that, we are going to fold a black graph paper, make multiple folds, then paste white sheet. After that, we are going to attach heart shape on the circle, make more hearts shape and attach, write Happy Mother's Day, and we are going to make more hearts inside, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are going to make very creative card today. For that, cut the following shape, make more cuts, then paste all of them using double-sided tape, paste it on the black greeting card, and we are going to add more details as we are doing here, paste different hearts on it, and look, it is ready. Let's make a magic greeting card. For that, draw a shape like this, color it, and we are going to paste a transparent sheet over it and trace the shape as we are doing here. Paste it on the greeting card like this, and look, it is ready. Let's make a beautiful flower greeting card. For that, cut a spiral on green circle like this, then paste it on the greeting card like this. After that, we are going to make beautiful little flowers like this. Open the flower and make more such shapes. After that, paste all of them inside the greeting card, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.